Hello, everyone. Hi, good evening. Today, in the Hall of Fame, we have Mr. Gaurav here from Manipal Institute of Technology. Awesome person and brilliant student. Let's hear him out. A quick introduction from Gaurav about you.
Hello, sir. Thank you so much for having me. Hi, guys. My name is Gaurav. I'm 21. I'm originally from Kathmandu in Nepal, and currently, like, I'm pursuing a role as a business analyst in product development space, and I've just recently gotten a role ahead in my career as an associate product manager in an artificial intelligence based startup. Yeah.
Excellent, Gaurav. Wonderful. And congratulations to get, like after just starting the college, right? You are getting APM role, like the product management role, assistant manager role. That is really pretty awesome. And I mean,
Thank you.
people used to wait for at least 4 or 5 years, even 10 years to get that type of role. And as a fresher or just having like say 4 6 months of experience, you are getting this type of role. That is phenomenal. So, can you just throw some light, like how this program help you to get this thing, the confidence that you got in, and what are the things that you that help you to get over there?
Yeah, sure, sir. So, firstly, this program helped me identify the kind of strengths that I have as a person. Like, I did have like certain experiences, but it was all limited to certain internships. I didn't really know how to showcase the kind of skill sets that I have perfectly out there in my resume. And now, speaking about resume, that was the only thing which I thought is there on how you can showcase skills. I did not necessarily think of like some additional thing like a website or so. So this career program, like firstly, it helped me in identifying those skill sets, and secondly, it helped me like how to put those skill sets out there in a way that recruiters would want to see it. So like a simple example is for me to get this APM role, I knew the kind of hard work that you would have to do, the knowledge in tech, the knowledge in designs and so. But like being 21, I have and not even graduated, it's a little difficult to make people believe that you can do this role. So like this program taught me about the entire how to present your website. So what I did was like I started doing a couple of case studies. I did UI UX, I made product development reports, estimation sheets, and I uploaded all of those in my websites. So when I was applying for my job role, I could show the recruiters that hey, I might be young in this area, but like I think I do
Absolutely.
have the skill set. Yeah.
Perfect. Very nice. So again, audience, for you, it does not matter. Like say, if Gaurav can do this thing, you all can do this thing. The only thing is that you need just a right guidance. People are just working and wondering that I have no experience and all. How can I get such a great or such a coveted job out there? And job like APM and all, where you are talking about, say, assistant product manager and all, that is very coveted ones. And if you have the right skill, right guidance, and right mentorship, you should be able to get through this thing quite well. And given the opportunity, Gaurav has used this entire program very, very extensively and have followed the entire instruction well. He was able to build those websites and the other aspect of, say, SSI score and all the LinkedIn profiling, everything he has done quite well. And then getting through this, he was able to crack a very good job, even though like he is into 8th semester and he was doing some additional work out there. This helped him to grab a full-time job in Bangalore with some startup, because startup, this is what passionate him. He is quite interested into data science, AI, and ML area, and this is what has broken him into this position. And then he has directly into that area. So, Gaurav, many of the students, right, they were quite surprised, like they just start with 4 5 LPA and all. So starting job and starting career is very important. So can you throw some light, like like with this position, like and what would be your salary expectation into this, and how much you are able to grab and command the thing that you deserve?
Yeah, so you mentioned like 4 to 5, that was the standard, right? So for me as well, like for my 8th semester project and all, which the first job which I got in, that was in the same range, at the range of 4 to 5. But with this new role, I've been fortunate to get a hike of around 200%, like on the higher end of a figure, almost a 7 figure. So
Wonderful.
along with the experience, I think the amount that I'm getting, it's a very good amount for a 21-year-old.
Excellent. So I think now you know the clue. You guys can figure out like what is the initial state of the seven figure number, and that too like at the start of your career, right? With just 20 21 years old, if you are able to grab the step opportunity, that is really awesome. Perfect. I think that has given a very good insight, Gaurav, about your like again that comes out like your passion and all to work on this, follow the instruction, follow the program, and then jump and land into a great job. So, what would be your advice for the follow members and the audience who are listening to this podcast or say YouTube channel and all? So, what would be your message to them about the program?
Yeah, so I think a lot of times we as freshers, like especially in my case, I'm not even from India. I didn't have anyone to guide me. Like not even my own parents could really guide me here. But like what we don't really know is what we don't know. Like if that makes sense. It's like I might have probably settled for a lower salary if I didn't know that I have probably the ability to get more. So a lot of times we don't know what we don't know, and you need a mentor to tell you, hey, this is your skill sets. Probably you should not settle for this. And to have that right guidance is something that you should really respect out there and try to listen to what you get. And secondly, I would also say like try to consume more and more content with all the contents that is available on the internet. I did a lot of courses to get additional skill sets, and all of those courses were for free. So I think consuming that content is also going to help a lot.
Excellent, awesome. And what would be your final call about the program that you had attended and that helped you to land a starting job with such a flying color?
Yeah, so at the start of the program, like I mean, forget about the like being happy with all the roles I got, CTC and all. I wasn't even sure like where my career was gonna head. I was in third year of college when I initially had joined it, and fortunately, it came to me at the right time, right when placements were gonna kick off. So first, it helped me identify where do I want my career to be, and right now I know that this is where I want to be because I love the job which I'll be doing soon. And this program helped me a lot in identifying that, and it's also given me a pathway not just for today and tomorrow but also for like 5 to 10 years down the line on how I should be really creating the roadmap for having that dream career which I plan to have. So that's how this program has helped me overall.
Excellent. That was a pretty crisp message and very, very powerful message that it is not just like a landing a job. It is the career progression for next 5 years, 10 years and all. That is very, very promising. That is the prominent thing. So again, audience, like if you're looking at this, if you're watching this thing, just do not look at the short-term vision and goal. The idea is that to look the long-term plan and see like how your career progression can take you to the next level altogether. So thanks a lot, Gaurav. That was a wonderful insight from you, and I hope that inspires many of our audience, right, to get connected with me, and they will leverage a lot about the mentorship and guidance that I provide in my program, and they should also be reaching to the sky limit and touching to that level so that they can also grab what they deserve and come on what they deserve. So thanks a lot. Thanks for your time, and we will again cherish the moment.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you so much, sir.